Can acupuncture work with weight loss? Unfortunately, many people have to deal with problems with their weight on a regular basis and throughout their lifetime. For some of us, it is a problem that started whenever we were children and we developed some bad habits that are very difficult to break. For others, it is a hormonal problem such as those experienced by people with hypothyroidism. Regardless of why you're having a difficult time with your weight, it can be a real struggle to get the weight off and keep it off. One way in which many people have looked to for help with their weight loss efforts is acupuncture. Acupuncture can indeed bring our body into a balance that it may be lacking. If we are having problems with our hormone levels which can cause weight gain, acupuncture can help to bring those back into line with where they should be. In general, the better you feel and the better you feel about yourself, the easier in that it will be for you to lose weight and keep it off. Unfortunately, for most people, that's not quite enough for them to realize the weight loss that they have been looking for. Acupuncture is able to overcome one more large hurdle. On the inside and around the ear are specific acupuncture points that serve several different functions. Whenever these points are stimulated through the use of acupuncture needles, they help to control our appetite by suppressing it, and they also work to detox the body. This works to our benefit in two different ways. Not only does it keep us from overeating out of habit, but it also helps us to be able to lose weight quickly because our bodies are not clogged with a lot of toxins as a result of the acupuncture detox. So, if you have been struggling with your weight for quite some time and do not seem to be able to control it through willpower and natural means, going to an acupuncturist may be exactly what you need. By suppressing your appetite and bringing your body back into a natural balance, you are assisting yourself to lose the weight naturally. The weight that you lose will be easier to keep off as a result of your overall general health being better. For some, it's the only thing that really helps them in their weight loss efforts.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.